Hi, I'm Jessica, and this is the Master Adjustable Medical Punch. The Master Adjustable Medical Punch is specially designed for medical forms requiring 2, 3, 5, or more holes. This unit includes an adjustable paper guide and a large capacity chip tray. It also comes with 5 punch heads, and additional heads can be purchased separately. This unit is made from heavy gauge steel to last you a lifetime. Keep your practice neat and organized by adding the Master Adjustable Medical Punch to your cart today.